Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to turn the 3D figurines that you have created using Gemini AI into videos for free. So as I can show you the video that has been created, as you can see, this is a 3D figurines that is converted into a video. So you can also do this easily. Show how to do it. So you just simply need to go to Google Play Store, then in the search option you need to search for Grok AI. If you have installed it, then well and good. If not, then you simply need to install this. After you install this, you simply need to open it. After it opens, you need to click on Imagine option over here, and after that from here you need to select your images. So from here you need to select your image first. After that it will generate the video. So here you can see it's generating a video, so you need to wait for some time. So now you can see that the video has been created, and the best part is you can easily download also from here. You can download it by clicking on the icon over here, and apart from this you have other options as well. When you click on radio options, and you can get other 4 options, either custom, speech, fun and normal. So you can select it from here. Either you select speech or normal. So if you select fun, then you have to wait for few seconds again, and this video will be converted into as a fun. So let's see what type of video it creates. So as you can see, the fun video has been created. So you can also change them from here, either to normal or select other options as well. So you have to wait for a few minutes until it changes, and by this way you can easily create any 3D figurines that is created by Nano Banana for free. So by this way you can easily create 3D figurines pictures into a video. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.